Knock, knock, knock. Who is at our classroom door? Shh, let's tiptoe. The magic Montessori. Assalamu alaikum, little learners. Welcome to Barakah Blossoms. Ready to learn and play? Let's grow the going to learn a new skill. Hello, little friend. Welcome. Today we will play with a spoon. This activity makes our hands strong. It helps us work carefully. Let's have fun! Look! One bowl is full. One bowl is empty. Can you see them? Look! One bowl is full. One bowl is empty. Can you see them? Now we will make it full with a spoon. Pick up one pom-pom. Lift, move, drop. Yay! Your turn. Can you try? Slowly. Very good. Keep going. Wonderful job, little learners. Give yourself a big clap. Remember to like and subscribe. Keep growing the Montessori way. See you next time.